Hey everybody, Michael here in the Think Culinary Lab. Today we're going to break down and talk about whole top blade, and with a little bit of knife work, you can add some really intriguing diversity to your menu. Let's get started. It's fairly easy to clean off the silver screen and membrane. What you do is make a little entry point with your knife, and once you have that in, you're going to go ahead and use that tension, just like as if you're cleaning tenderloin, and you're going to go ahead and just comb through that meat right along the membrane using the natural weight. And as we continue to clean that off, you can see I'm just making thin slicing motions, cleaning off that membrane and silver skin. I'm gonna have to do this throughout the entire paddle. The top blade does have some connective tissue on it, but once we get that cleaned up and removed, it becomes a really flavorful and tender steak. Next part about this is the part that is going to be the most rewarding, but also the most difficult, where we're going to go ahead and there's a big tendon right here. This tendon runs the entire length of the paddle. So the top blade consists of two fillets, long planks that are separated by this thick tendon. The way we're going to achieve separating this is we're going to use a gaffing hook to stabilize. So the tendon right here, I'm going to go ahead and put the gaffing hook right in there. And I'm going to use my left hand to actually keep it steady and pulled back, while my right hand is going to enter just above that membrane. And I'm going to use a sliding motion going down the length of the paddle to separate the two fillets. You can see what's happening there is that membrane runs the whole length there. I'm just combing it right off to create one whole paddle that we have here now. And again, I'm gonna go ahead and I'm cutting right against that membrane. You can see the knife is almost coming through, which is giving me a really good yield. All right, once we've got the top blade completely separated, trimmed, cleaned up and ready to portion, you end up with about a 2.5 pound portion, which you're gonna get anywhere between 4 and 5, 8 to 10 ounce steaks that are ready to go. So really simple portioning, just cutting right in between what I think is about that 8 to 10 ounces, really exposing some really beautiful marbling. Well, there you have it, folks, a full breakdown of the whole top blade, filleted, portioned, and ready to go to hit your menu. Enjoy.